Hey guys, welcome back to the staff 10-minute challenge. And today we're going to be looking at two girls who want to compete together as a team, which means if they win the prize, they get $50 each, so I have to split it. But this is Shannon and Amber's challenge, and I'm not going to let you see what's under here. It's very similar to what Jordan had, but different colors. So everybody gets kind of the same thing, just different color theme. So we'll see how well they do. I have a theory that two people working together is going to be worse, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, here they come.
This is Amber and Shannon. Their challenge. Okay, Amber, put your hands in. Shannon, put your hands in. They're too scared to do it by themselves, so they're a team, which is kind of cheating.
It is not cheating. We agreed upon this.
I don't remember agreeing upon it.
Well, that's because you weren't listening.
It's on video.
Anyway. Oh, video proof.
Anyway, well...
Backtrack.
I can fix that if we need to.
No, you can't. It's already up there.
It's published.
They've seen it.
So, 10 minutes, 10 seconds, make one card. Ready?
No.
Go.
Go! Oh, there's a paper trimmer!
I love you.
Okay. I don't know how to use a bone folder.
All right, you want to cut a base?
Yeah. 10 seconds is up. We're starting now. Okay.
Oh, be kind of conscious on where you are in the screen, too. Forgot to mention that.
Yeah, well, no.
Yeah.
Who does this math? This is 8. That's 4 and no.
I can't help you.
8.5 by 11 is 4 1/4.
It is now. Too late now. No. All right.
What do we want?
Sorry. I don't know. Pick it, Shannon. I don't know how to do
we got a little heart thing. Let's get this.
We got a base. One step down. On the inside. I'm doing the inside now.
We got stickers too.
Oh.
And a stamp. And a heart.
Okay.
So that gave us pretty stuff.
Ooh.
That one?
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't care.
You have 5 minutes left.
5 minutes!
Just kidding.
You're so mean. You hurt all your nerves. Ow.
You got 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know. I'm just cutting it apart.
Yeah.
Hey, talk out loud.
I am talking out loud on how this ain't working.
But we gotta mat it on something because it's white.
Do we?
White on white.
Oh, we shouldn't use that one.
No.
Oh.
It's too pretty.
Shannon, I could spend forever with you.
I know. Oh, we should do that one. What's your idea?
Got 7:45.
Oh, we got this. Don't be rushing us.
Oh,
No, it'll cut. I told you, we were just gonna wing it.
That's the only way to do it.
oh, I love you.
Oh, I messed up, but it's cool. It's cool. We'll work it out. Oh, that's a big gap. It's a real big gap.
So we can put stickers on. So if we wanted to, we can do it like this and then do a sticker.
Okay, I like the way your brain goes.
Do we want to mat it with these or our glitter glue? Straight it down. Glitter glue. Yeah.
Oh. What's our time, Jordan?
7 minutes.
Left?
Yeah.
Oh, mommy.
I don't like that noise.
Sorry. It's too late now. How do you want it? Let's see.
We also have the.
Oh, you have these dudes.
We have the heart stamp.
Oh, I should have put that under there.
Put what under where? Well,
This
it's still not.
under that.
Well, here. It's
What
still not down all
y'all
the way.
thinking?
We're thinking that we'll put that under that.
I'm thinking we don't have scissors.
It doesn't matter. It'll tear.
You do have a trimmer.
We do have a trimmer.
I don't want to get our
Do we
trimmer
want to go
all
all the
gunky.
way to the side?
Yes.
Keep it in camera. You have
Mhm.
6
On
minutes
the
left.
edge.
Let's do that.
It's gonna be beautiful. Do we need this?
All right. How do you want to position it on there?
Position it on. It's on there, girl. We're just
It's
gonna
not
leave it right
stuck.
where it's at. Hold on. It is stuck. It's too
Oh,
late
wait.
now. She
That's fine.
exists right there. So beautifully. So pretty. Ooh. No, it's already on there.
We got a stamp we got to use.
Do we have to use it? I
Well,
believe her
Jordan-
rules.
Jordan fussed at her for not using
I
the
used-
jellyfish.
I used everything.
Okay, Jordan. You're such a good kid.
It's all crooked
Almost
like.
used all the stickers.
Did you just say it's all crooked like?
Yeah, it's all crooked like.
Oh, for the love.
What's our time?
5 minutes.
Okay, see, now it's all better. Turn to the inside.
Lips.
Oh, what about? Gosh, this is hard.
This is not an easy task. It's too many choices.
Way too many. Let's talk about.
What's our time, Jordan?
4:40. Getting crunch time.
Nah, we got this. Up it.
Yeah, sure. That's up
There's
it.
some uppy things. Because that's what they're called.
Uppy things.
Uppy things.
So, I'm not opening it.
Are there more of
I
those?
wanna.
I don't like the
There's a
black
heart.
ones.
Should we stamp it? Do we need to stamp it, or do we want to skip the stamp?
You have 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Oh, we should have picked a different guy. It's cool.
What?
Oh, that guy can go in there.
You have my. Alright, where do you want
He can go
Inside.
inside. You want it inside?
to? Just stick him.
This is the worst card ever.
Oh.
Ah,
3:15.
she did this to me on purpose.
Yep.
Because I'm not a Valentine's Day kind of gal.
What if we?
Oh, that's cute.
What if we did? If we wanted to use the stamp? Oh.
I like that color.
Oh, this is a pretty good color.
What if we did this with the heart stamp at the end on the inside?
2:45.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Then we've used everything.
That's double happening. I saw it.
what?
Oh.
Here, you
sorry.
stamp. You
Why do I
stamp.
have to, where do you want it?
Just put it at the end. I don't know. I'm
We
not a
should have
card
lowered
maker.
this.
I'm not a card maker.
Oh.
But now you can write all your.
Late.
You can write your
He's
sentiment.
there.
You can write your sentiment below.
There's no help there. We can't because we don't have a pen.
Well, somebody else can.
We can later.
2
Should we do anything
minutes.
else?
Hmm.
Decorate it up. Put some hearts.
Just stickers. That's all we have. Stickers and paper and no scissors. That's fantastic. Okay. Well, it's beautiful, Shannon. I think we should leave it. Just the way it is. There's no way to make it better.
Is that it?
We
Are
didn't
y'all-
think this step through very well. We're gonna call it done.
Yep, we're done.
We voted.
Okay.
Even with the crooked heart and all
All
of that.
my loves.
All right,
beautiful.
they called it done.
Beautiful.
With a minute
Special.
32 left.
Yes! This was not good.
No.
Oh, you were mine and I'm
So,
yours.
well,
Too late.
I guess that's it.
That's it.
We're still at 9:49.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess that's what you get for having two separate brains trying to do this.
Oh, it's two separate brains? Really? I like it a lot. I snuck in behind them. This is really pretty. It's very, very nice. Amber's like, she knows I don't like Valentine's Day.
I don't. I'm just not a Valentine's Day girl.
I don't like Valentine's Day. Okay, why does this have to be Valentine's Day?
Well,
can you not love somebody else?
Because now I know that this is a Valentine's Day pack.
Oh, so see, you got it in your head.
Yes, true.
This game is
messed
all in
me
your
up.
head.
It is.
It's a good game.
But I like it, Shannon. All right, real question. Could y'all have done it separately? After doing it together?
Yeah, but it would have been way quieter than
Yeah.
together.
Very.
Like, we wouldn't have said anything at all.
All right, well, don't forget, this is a competition. The girls are competing to win a $100 gift card. And playing as a team, they have to split it. I can't open it for y'all. But there will be a poll at the end. I think there's 7 or 8 of these challenge videos going
Look
up.
at flowers.
So we'll have a poll at the end that you guys out there will be able to vote in on the card you think won. And that's how they will win their gift card. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Are y'all ready? Can you put your hands in the camera and wave? Bye, y'all.